the play that Bhairava wants to do here. It's like he is more keen to interact. Let's put it this way.
What does that mean, more keen to interact?
When a deity is more keen, you will see that suddenly a lot of people are worshipping that deity. Suddenly there are many things happening due to worship of that deity, etc. Suddenly there is everybody speaking about it. That means that these things do not govern. If you are a spiritual minded individual, these things are not orchestrated by any individual A, B, C. No. Others, people can be a nimitta, which means that an instrument of the deity, but the deity decides when, how, where, in what format, in what condition he wants an awakening of his consciousness among people. And that definitely has happened with respect to Bhagwan Bhairav.